Do you know your PC is leaking more information than you think? Hackers use ICMP and SNMP to scan, probe, and exploit weak networks without you ever noticing. But today, I'll show you how to block those attack paths in minutes using simple Windows Firewall and services tweak. Now let's get started. So to disable ICMP ping request, we are going to click on the search and then Windows Defender. Okay, so we are going to use the Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. So let me expand this. So we are going to click on the inbound rules. Okay, and then at the inbound rules, we are going to locate file and printer sharing. So I'm going to scroll down to file and printer sharing. So here is it. Okay, file and printer sharing echo request ICMP version 4. Okay, and this is the version 6. So when you look under the enable, you can see I've turned them on. Okay, to receive ping requests. So I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so to do that, or I'm going to disable that. So I'm going to double click on that, then I'll uncheck the enabled, and then I'll click on apply. Okay, I'll uncheck, I'll apply, and then okay. So I'll do the same thing for the version 6. I'll uncheck, apply, and then okay. I'll uncheck, apply, and then okay. So now when you ping my system, it's going to time out, okay, because I've disabled the ping request. Okay, so this is how to disable the ping request. Okay, so now we are going to disable the SNMP for device information leakage. So to do that, I'm going to close my Windows Defender, then I'm going to click on the search, and then I'll type services.msc. Okay, so you are going to run the services with admin. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. So here we are going to scroll down and then we locate SNMP. Okay, so here is it, SNMP trap. Okay, so I'm going to double click on that. It leaks system information. Okay, and at the startup type is on manual, so I'm going to click on the down arrow, then I'll click on disable. Okay, to disable the system information leakage. Okay, then I'll close it. So now I've prevented access to my ping request and then the SNMP for system information leakage. So when you ping my system, you're not going to get any response. Okay, and also the SNMP is not going to leak any information. Okay, so this is how to stop network hacks. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.